Bienvenidos clase, welcome to Spanish 102. My name is Miss Park. I will be the instructor for this spring semester, and here we are in our Blackboard page. This video is to give you a little guide on how to use our Blackboard site and where to find all the information you will need. Once you open the course site on Blackboard, you will be introduced to our course banner and the announcement page, as you can see right here. Every week I will be sending a weekly announcement with information on due dates, what's coming up, any important information regarding the course and our work throughout the semester. If you come with me to the left-hand side, there's a bar menu with all the important tabs that you will need. The first one is what we call Noticias, announcements, and I just explained that will be the first page you will see when you enter. Make sure that you update your Blackboard email so that you will be getting all my weekly announcements and important information. The second tab right here is Información. I'm going to open that, and on this section is some important things you will need throughout the course. Right now we're doing the course orientation video. The second one is the spring course syllabus. Please make sure to open that, read it, make sure to understand the requirements, how your grades will be done. It is important for me to know that you have read and understood the course syllabus. Now the course calendar is the next folder. Here's every lesson we'll be covering. As a Spanish 102, we will be covering lessons 7 through 12 of our online en línea textbook. You also have any other information regarding accent marks, blog lists, grading rubrics, and all of that. Please take a few minutes to read that. Now, the next folder is what we call Texto. That's our online textbook. And our online textbook is called En Línea. Here's a picture of it. And we will all need to purchase an En Línea access code to register for our online assignments. I just clicked on that link, and this is our publisher website. Every student must purchase the En Línea access code. Now right here you have two options. You have the option of purchasing just the code for 6 months. This code gives you access to our course online, for our ebook, access to the assignments, tutorials, and any information regarding your chapter test, access to the test, and review material. You have an option of purchasing the companion textbook. The only problem with this companion textbook, it only gives you access to lessons 1 through 6. This is a loose leaf format of the page, an actual textbook. Now, you do not need to purchase it because we are covering lessons 7 through 12. But if you want, for an additional $26 to purchase lesson 1 through 6 and get a review of the Spanish 101 material that was covered before this class, it will be very helpful. But for those of us who are just ready to start with the book, just the access code will be sufficient. Now, once you purchase the access code, you will enroll in our course. Now, I will have a separate video introducing our En Línea textbook, ebook, and how it works. But in order for you to access that, you will need your access code that you will purchase, and right here in yellow and green, our course code, which will give you access to our class on En Línea and access to all the assignments, chapter tests, tutorial, review materials, etc., etc. Please make sure to follow this link I have provided on instructions on how to enroll to our course. Once you have set up your account, purchase the access code, and enroll to our course, you are ready to start. Then it is the next folder that I will go to, which is called Tareas, our homework assignments. Now right here is our first assignments due by February 5th. Now if you go down, you will have every lesson with a due date. As you can see, I have not posted them yet, but you can tell right now that we will have 7 through 12 to complete throughout the semester. So start here. I'm going to open that first, which is due by February 5th. You have to purchase the ebook by February 5th. Make sure that you register and sign up to our online course. Again, here's our course code. You must make sure to upload a picture. An avatar is a picture of who you are. It's really helpful for when students post questions or assignments. We can see who it is. I think it will be helpful for everybody. The next assignment by February 5th is to go and do your first discussion board entry, which is called Cibercafé 1. I have some instructions here. It is very important that you use proper grammar, proper accent marks, and punctuation. Please make sure that you review all the grammar and proofread and revise your entry. We will also have our first blog entry assignment. Now, for every lesson, you will have a blog assignment, and I will provide more information. Here are, for example, our first blog due by February 5th, and some questions I would like you to answer. Our blog entries will be in English, and if you can see right here, on the 6th folder is the blogs. Here you will be posting every blog that you have due. So right now, the first blog assignment, Mi Español, is due on the 5th of February. You will open that. Now you have the assignment written here by when it's due. Click right here, create blog entry, and submit your first blog. Now, blog entries are all in English, but the discussion board, which is what I'm clicking right now, right here, the 5th tab, which is the photos, is your discussion board assignments. Every lesson, you will have to do a forum entry. As you can see right now, the discussion board assignments are posted but not available. The first one is the Cibercafé, February 5th, and I have written instructions. Right here, the first one is what we call the Clínica. You can post any questions about the material, the work, anything that you would like help or suggestions, anything that is personal. Please make sure to email me separately. Make sure that when you're ready to enter your Cibercafé before or by February 5th, open that. As you can see, I have already submitted my own Cibercafé 1. When you're ready to submit yours, simply on the left hand side right here, click create thread, and you will be able, I'm gonna do that with you, to enter. You see the assignment, put a subject, type in your Cibercafé, and make sure to always click submit, which is in the bottom right hand corner. I'm going to cancel this because I already submitted mine. I'm going to go to the next tab, which is called Profesora. You will have my information. On the right hand side is my avatar picture with information on how to reach me. Please make sure to email me. It is the best way to contact me. I will reply to all emails within 24 hours. I would like to show you the next tab, which is what we call Explicaciones. Here, several other instructors have posted mini lessons, review grammar points. Professor Sangerima and Professor Enao has done that, so make sure that you access them. It will be a great way for you to review and understand anything you need before you start chapter 7. The next one is what we call Ayuda, help. Here are any websites, any links to help you with any material throughout the semester. In this class, we'll be working in two environments, the Blackboard environment, which is where you will access the assignments, where you will be submitting your discussion board entry, your blog entries, and you will be able to access what assignments are due and by when. Make sure that you review this one more time, and if you have any questions, please make sure to contact me. And it's important to understand assignments, how to access them, where to submit them, and by when to enter them. In order to have a successful semester is to make sure that you are successful at time management. When in doubt, when you're struggling or in question of anything, please make sure to reach me. This will be a great semester. I will work with you, and I know that keeping in touch will be important throughout the course. Muchas gracias, chicos, y nos vemos dentro de poco. Adiós.